Hello everyone, Reza here. In this short video I will show you how to overwrite keyframes on the time slider in Maya. So I've got a really simple scene. If I play, you can see the door opens and we've got a little bit of overlapping at the end. If I select the door, you can see I have a keyframe on frame 0, one on 55, another one on frame 80. Let's say I would like to overwrite the frame 80 with the one in frame 55. You may say, Reza, that's easy. Why don't we just hold down Shift, select left mouse button, drag on top of frame 80? And by the look of it, we successfully managed to overwrite the keyframe, but unfortunately that's not the case. If I rewind and play, you can see we have a bit of a clipping happening. So that way of repositioning the keyframes using the Shift key on our keyboard is not the way to go. The method that we are going to use is by going to the frame that we want, and then we right click, copy, and then we go to the frame that we want, the destination, and paste. Now we can easily select that extra keyframe that we don't need and press delete on it. If I go back and rewind, you can see there is no clipping anymore. So using the right click menu is quite handy and useful. You can copy, paste, delete, even snap to a particular frame. You can even change the tangents and interpolation of the tangents using that, along so many other options. So this method works for simple copying and pasting, but if you really would like to make use of more functionalities with keyframes, then I highly suggest you to use Graph Editor as a much better alternative. Hope you found this video useful and see you in the next one.